So we ordered this kit. It was completely separate from the FTC kit made by Modern Robotics. So let's do the honors with the knife, Sam.
Break anything. So right out of the box we have a extension cords just for motors and servos and different stuff like that. And
Micro to mini, pretty
we
boring.
have 2 USB cables for the phone, which will be controlling our robot. We have some more extension cables. And this is the first sensor. It's an optical distance sensor. It uses light to figure out how far away the robot is from different things.
And with my luck, I drew another innocuous cord, USB.
We also have a touch sensor. So if the robot bumps into anything, it can tell that it's bumped into something.
An additional touch sensor.
We've got an IR seeker, so this will figure out like where different IR signals are coming from, I think.
And
If we'll,
at this point, I'd like to mention that we've mostly been working with Arduino and that type of thing, and all this stuff is a whole lot more on the plug-and-play end of things,
which can
is going to be
simplify
really
things.
nice. Yeah.
So these look like 2 servo controllers. They're used for controlling servos that can be plugged in and controlled by the phone.
This piece is a core power distribution module. It's got a USB to USB plug. This looks pretty interesting compared to a lot of the relays and such we've been using. Looks a lot simpler.
Yeah, because I think all these other components plug into this to distribute the power throughout the robot. We have a core device interface, so this is what our phone is going to plug into, that's then going to plug into this to control everything. So we also have a motor controller. This is what's going to control all the wheels, all the different motors, various things that we need to move. Let's get the rest out here. We also have another motor controller for if you need to hook up more than a couple motors. And then we just got some phone bracket holders. I think that's what the case said. So this will hold our phone in the robot. And I think that's it for this controller kit and a lot of USB cables.
How do you think using these controllers is going to be different from what we've been doing with Arduinos and relays and that type of thing?
Definitely it's going to be nice to have them pre-made, because everything with Arduino you have to hook up and program separately and everything. So this is just mainly plug it in, it's going to stay in, no soldering, no nothing like that, and you're basically got a much easier way to connect and change how you want your robot to work through various motors and such.
Well, that sounds good. Thanks for your help on this, Sam, and knowing all this stuff. That's it until next time.
Yeah.